What's going on? Just wrapped up a really quick chest workout. Honestly, went way better than I expected. So sometimes those quick workouts, you just give it a little bit more energy and you can get a lot out of it. So, but I'm heading to Home Depot, and if you're coming from my previous video, you know that my dog got stung by a bee this morning. So with that being said, gotta say hey to the homie. With that being said, I'm going to Home Depot to get some bee traps, some yellow jacket traps, because I'm not trying to have my dog get stung anymore. It's kind of packed in here. The sad thing is that she got stung, like she's okay, she's doing fine, but she got stung in the spot where she just always, you know, goes potty, goes to the bathroom, whatever you want to call it. So it's just like annoying because there's bees everywhere, dude. And she's like trying to find a spot to go pee, and it's like just boom, gets zapped in the ear. And if you know about dogs, you have a dog yourself, you know that bee sting reactions can be bad. So luckily she didn't have a bad reaction. I was a little worried she would. It was like on her ear, which is just cartilage, you know, so you know, she doesn't have, I don't know what the science is behind it, but there wasn't a lot of swelling. It was just like a tiny, I don't know, yay size, quarter, maybe nickel size swell. So, not bad, right? Luckily. Could have been worse. So yeah, we're gonna go get some traps. We're gonna kill these mother effers. Good old Home Depot. Dude, go. Oh my lord. The Subaru Legacy, just go over the speed bump. But anyways, I have a golden retriever. She's an English cream golden retriever. She's almost 2 years old. Turning 2 years old, I think, next week. She's been the best thing that's happened to me in a really long time, you know? So I take good care of her, and I mean, you know, she's like, you know, I don't have kids, so she's like my kid, and yeah, I get a little defensive over her getting hurt, you know. So I'm gonna take this seriously. We're gonna kill some freaking bees on her behalf. Anyways, all jokes aside, I will keep you updated. We're at the lovely Home Depot where I could spend hours, but I'm not going to because I am on a time crunch. Keep you updated. All right, got the trap. Bees in the trap. Let's go see how it works. Probably gonna have to nail it into the tree or something. I don't really know, but we'll figure that out, won't we? Anyways. Beautiful day out. And man, it does not feel like the middle of September, but it is. So I'm gonna go home, watch some football, eat some Chipotle. My girlfriend just called me because she was upset that Chipotle didn't give me enough meat, enough protein in my bowl. That's how you know you got a good girlfriend, is if she's fighting for extra protein in your burrito bowl from Chipotle. It's a rider. But anyways, yeah, like I said, we are going to head home, set up this trap, catch some bees, protect my dog, dude. You don't sting my dog. But it's okay, I'm over it. We're all good. Other than that, man, not much to report on my end. It's been a great Saturday. I had some buddies of mine ride their motorcycles over yesterday, show me their motorcycles in person for the first time. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. I must say I would love a motorcycle, but I have a little bit of a fear of crashing one or getting hit. So yeah. There's a cop up there, so let's be mindful of that. Looks like he's off to get somebody. Anyways, I'll let this girl out, I guess. Yeah, so the workout was good. Like I said, I did 4 lifts pretty much. That's all I did. Honestly, the older I get, the more I realize, like, you don't need to spend 2 hours in the gym. You don't need to put in all this extra effort. All you really need is 1 or 2 exercises per muscle group. And by that I mean, for my chest, 2 push exercises and, well, maybe I don't mean 1 or 2 per muscle group, but what I'm saying is like 2 pushes, 2 push lifts, and then 2 stretch lifts, like a fly motion. If I do that for chest, I come out of that with a crazy pump and I feel really good. And you can pretty much do the same for back. Like if you just do lat pull downs or pull-ups, you do rows, like cable rows, and then you move over and you do like barbell rows, and then you do, I don't know, shrugs, whatever, right? Fill in the gaps, fill in the blank. Whatever you choose to do, like, you should have a decent pump at that point. Anything extra can be good if you have the energy for it. But to be honest, that alone will give you a great pump and should give you really good results. So love a G80, man. I don't know. Just too poor. That's all it is. Too poor. It's like affording a $50,000 car is one thing, but affording an $80,000 to $100,000 car is like a whole nother beast. I don't know. This guy's gonna try and fucking sneak in. Dude, I hate when people try and cut lines, you know, within reason. It makes sense, but like, dude, God, don't cut me off. Just don't cut me off, whatever you do. It pisses me off. It's not that serious, I guess, but anyways. And use your blinker too, if you're gonna do it. My God, it's coming from a BMW driver too, who supposedly don't use their blinkers a lot. I try to. Anyways, we're in traffic. I don't know when my GoPro is gonna die. I know the battery's really low, so probably gonna call it here. Maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. As always, I appreciate you watching. Appreciate you tuning into the video and supporting the channel. And hopefully you enjoy the POV drives, the content that I'm providing. You know, we got a long ways to go. My goal is to take this channel to high places, new heights, lofty goals, you know? I'd love to... Wow, look at that M5, that's wild. Anyways, I'd love to one day expand this channel to like different cars and different types of cars, and fulfill my dream of just a freaking cool dream garage. And to me, it all starts with being a creative, dude. It really does. Like, if you're listening to this and you're considering doing something like this, do it, dude. Don't even think twice. Do it. And figure it out later. Start and figure it out later. Like, in my opinion, great things will come when you decide to start doing things and making moves.